How to create tasks in SmarterMail. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your SmarterMail account. To create a new task, select the icon for tasks in the left navigation toolbar. Let's create a new task by clicking on the New button. Select the subject field and enter it here. Next, select a start and due date and time using the date and time selectors. Select a time to be reminded before the task start time. Click and select the Priority drop-down. Select the Description tab and enter a description for this task. Now click the Save button to save the new task. The new task will be displayed in the list of tasks. You now know how to create new tasks in SmarterMail.